Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot post multiple picture on Instagram story. Lot of iPhone and Android user facing this issue. If you are one of them, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, force close Instagram app and check for update. To check update for Instagram, tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Now we have to check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then first update your Instagram app. After update the Instagram app, we have to launch Instagram. Then tap on your profile icon and tap on three lines and tap setting. Now tap security. If you're iPhone user, then tap on clear search history, and if you're Android user, then tap on search history. Now we are going to tap clear search history and tap clear all in the top right corner and tap again clear all to clear the search history. Now force close the Instagram app and reopen it. Now we are going to try to send multiple picture on Instagram story. Tap on your story, open your gallery, select image. Now tap on third icon, tap on gallery and select an other image. Here we go. Now we are able to send multiple picture on Instagram story. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to send multiple picture on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.